Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when one earbud isn't working on your Earbuds CMF Buds Pro 2. You have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case because firstly we need to perform a soft reset. After that, after you put it, just close the case and your earbuds will disconnect it from your phone. Right here we have information that there's no connection. If you have Android, it just moved to save device. And after that, you just open the charging case and it will reconnect to your phone, so maybe it will fix your problem. Now check your earbuds, so remove it and check. If it didn't help you, we should perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, put your earbuds to the charging case and do not close the case. Inside the charging case we have connectional button. You need to press and hold it until this LED light flashed red 3 times. It's something like 10 seconds. So we just hold it. Firstly it enters to prank mode, so don't worry that it's blinking white. And here we go. Now we can release the finger, and firstly we need to remove it from the phone. So click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds at the device list. Then forget this device and forget device. Also, if you have Android, click pair new device. And after a factory reset, these earbuds enter to prank mode automatically, so we can see it at the device list. We don't need to press the connectional button, we just tap on it at the device list, and if you have Android, after a tap, you click pair. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!